I am your host Mason, and this is StockUp 42, and I reveal some of the most hidden, most effective, and secret money-making websites and apps they don't want you to know about. I am extremely excited to tell you about these new websites I have found to earn money by simply watching videos. But first, I must give a disclaimer. I am not a financial advisor. Invest at your own risk and do your own research. This video is for educational purposes only. With that out of the way, guys, do me a big favor and subscribe to the channel. Let me introduce you to the first site. The first site is WorkerCash. You can earn crypto on any device by simply watching videos. However, if you have an Android device, you can watch the videos on auto view mode, earning you money even while you're asleep with WorkerCash. You can cash out in many different crypto coins, including two of my all-time favorites, Tron and Dogecoin. WorkerCash has a leveling system. After you reach the next level, you earn more crypto per video view. So over time, you earn even more money every time you hit the play button. Hey, and they have a great referral system allowing you to earn a percentage of your friends' earnings for life. When they use your link to sign up, you earn a percentage of their earnings when they watch videos. Speaking of using your friends' links, mine will be in the description of this video, and I would be extremely grateful if you use it to sign up for WorkerCash. Don't run off just yet, we have more top secret sites to earn money from coming up. If you have not hit the like button yet, go ahead and press it for me if you don't mind. The next amazing website to earn money from is SurfyBee. I really love this site, it is very unique. With SurfyBee you can earn money watching videos, but that's not all. With SurfyBee, after you install the extension, a banner ad will pop up at the bottom of your browser. As the banner ad plays, you earn money. Now you do have the option to disable this function at the right side of the banner ad if you prefer not to see it. You can choose to either withdraw your earnings, or you can run your own banner ad, video ad, or pop-up ad, making it a great way to promote your referral links from the other websites mentioned in this video. Now after you install the extension, you can access the extension at the top of your browser by clicking on the item that looks like a puzzle piece. After you click on the extension, a box will appear, giving you options to view a video or visit a website. Simply click on the start button to earn the money, and another window will come up like this one. After a few moments, you can close the window and repeat the process by clicking on the extension again. Don't go anywhere, we still have some top secret websites left to reveal in this video, which leaves me to our next website, TimeBucks. With TimeBucks, you can earn money in multiple different ways, including, but not limited to, watching videos. You can earn money on TimeBucks watching videos by clicking on the Earn tab. Then you're going to want to hit Content, then Add Clicks. Here you will see the option to either view a website or watch a video. Simply click View to earn you money, and wait for the timer to reach 0 before closing the window and clicking back on the TimeBucks website. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to watch us every week as we reveal the mysteries and secrets to earning money online by exposing the websites and apps they don't want you to know about. Okay guys, I am going to leave the links to everything you need in the description of the video. I will leave a link to my Cash Apps and my Bitcoin wallet address in case you would like to donate to the channel or buy me a cup of coffee. Thanks in advance, and until the next video, let's stock up together.